Alright guys, what's going on? Trey May10 here, and today I've got a fix for you. So currently my iPhone 7 with the lightning charger is having problems charging. So I plug it in, nothing happens unless I press down or press it up, okay? But when I let go, it stops charging. Alright, and I've cleaned out the charge port pretty well. There's not, gunk in there obstructing it. The problem is that this can wiggle around, okay? And so I've got a fix here for you. And what I did, so the inside receptacle of your charging port, the top doesn't have any sort of contactors, only the bottom does. And that's why it only works when I push it up, so that this bottom here touches those bottom contactors. So what I've gone ahead and done, and I've marked it with a Sharpie, I added just a thin layer of super glue to this top area to make it, just that hair of a millimeter thicker. And so now I'm going to plug this one in and just show you. You want that side up, that's why I marked it. Charges perfectly fine. Okay? And so now we're going to do it with that black cord real quick. And so, looking at this, that side looks pretty good, but this side looks a little gunkier. So I'm going to add the glue to this side.
Well, you didn't change that before doing that.
Alright, so we've got that marked. I thought this was a silver Sharpie, but it's just a gray one. Not that big of a deal though. And so now, I got this Gorilla Glue brush and nozzle. You don't have to get this one, but you want to get something that will strongly adhere to the charger. And then, so now I'm just going to add a tiny bit and hopefully try and show you. There's not a whole lot on there, but just enough to make it thick enough to where it sits flush when you try and plug it in. Alright, and then I'm going to let this dry and I'll come back and show you that it works. Previously, I had tried to use, when I first thought of this yesterday, I tried to use this product. It's just a little too weak, I guess. It doesn't adhere to the charger very well. And so I would plug it in, and as soon as I unplugged it, it would peel off. But yeah, I'll be back showing that it worked. Alright guys, so it's been a couple minutes, and as you can see, it's not quite as bulbous. I came in with this piece of paper and kind of smoothed it out a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back and try and give you a good look at that. I already tested it out, and when I tested it, it was a little too thick on there, and so it kind of shaved some off the top. But just going to go ahead and plug it in and show you that it does now work. And shake it around, flop it around, jiggle this, and it's all charging still. Yeah. Hope that helps you guys out a little bit. Have a nice day.